NotebookLM is capable of producing some incredible looking presentations that are visually absolutely stunning.
Most people using NotebookLM are making this critical mistake with their sources.
Not the way you want to use NotebookLM though. What you actually want to do is you actually want to put only vetted sources inside of here. So I've already gone out. I know that I started doing my own research on woodworking, and there are a bunch of blog articles that I really keep coming back to. I really like these ones.
Here's the truth. NotebookLM lets you auto-import random sources from the internet, but that's a trap. You'll end up with inaccurate generic slides that look like everyone else's. What the pros do is manually add only vetted sources, articles and videos they've already researched and trust. That's how you get slides that actually convert.
And there's a few YouTube videos as well that I keep coming back to. I want all of that information to be inside this notebook so that when I create a slide deck, it's only pulling information from those sources that I actually like. So I'll go ahead and add all those in here.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
There are my 3 YouTube videos. I'll grab the links to these articles as well. And there we go. And so now these are becoming part of my notebook. And because all these sources are vetted, the results you get out of this, and when you actually create a...
But picking the right sources is just the foundation. Wait until you see what happens when you click the wrong button next.
Now, the problem is that this is encouraging you just to click this, and that will start generating a slide deck for you. If you do that though, that is a massive mistake. What you should do instead is click right here on this pencil icon. That will then open up the settings so that you can customize your slide deck and get it pretty close to exactly what you want. At the top, there are 2 choices. There is Detail Deck and there is Presenter Slides.
That big shiny slide deck button, it's a trap. If you click it directly, you skip all the customization settings. Instead, click the pencil icon next to it. That opens up the real controls, where you choose between Detail Deck for learning or Presenter Slides for presenting. This one decision changes everything about your output quality.
Now, a detailed deck you should use if you're using NotebookLM to learn about this new subject on your own. It's going to be a lot more comprehensive with full text and details. The presenter slides, on the other hand, is for when you're actually giving a presentation. It's going to have less text on the actual slides, and you're going to be talking as you're showing those slides. Since we're trying to learn about woodworking, I'm going to go ahead and select Detailed Deck.
Now you've got the right settings unlocked, but your prompt will make or break this entire presentation.
Default. And then finally, down here, you can describe the slide deck you want to create. And this is the key area. So here I'm asking it to put together a slide deck for a presentation I'm calling Woodworking 101, Your Crafting Odyssey. And I want it in sort of this anime style with a lot of anime style illustrations in there. I told it to focus on safety first, essential hand tools, wood types, and a simple first project for a beginner.
Here's the secret. The describe your slide deck box is where the magic happens. Don't just type make a presentation. Be specific. Tell it the style, the focus areas, the vibe you want. And here's the cheat code. Use Gemini to write and refine your prompt before you put it into NotebookLM. The AI helps the AI. That's how you get stunning custom results.
And the way I came up with that prompt was I just came over to Gemini and I said to it, hey, I need your help creating a prompt that I can then give to NotebookLM to help me create a slide deck about woodworking.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory. It's a behind the scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
And I want it to be in an anime style. It then produced for me this much more refined prompt, and then I took this and just refined it a little bit more before I threw it into NotebookLM. So definitely use Gemini.
All right, your slides look incredible now, but there's one massive problem. You can't edit them unless you know this workaround.
So to edit your slide decks, you first want to come up here and actually download it. That's going to download it to your computer as a PDF. Then you want to come over to Google and just search for Canva PDF to PowerPoint.
Here's what they don't tell you. There's no edit button in NotebookLM. If you want to change anything, you would have to regenerate the whole thing. But here's the fix. Download your slides as a PDF, then go to Canva's free PDF to PowerPoint converter. Upload it, and now you've got an editable file. This works on the free Canva plan too.
This is a free tool by Canva, which will convert these PDFs to a PowerPoint presentation. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload that here. And now you can see your presentation inside of Canva. Now you will need a Canva account to do this. However, it does work on the free plan.
You've got the PowerPoint file now, but there's one more tool that makes editing these slides stupidly easy.
Click on File, Import Slides, and upload the PowerPoint presentation you just downloaded. And now we can edit this inside of Google Slides. Now the way you do this is a little bit strange, but it does work. So if I click over here on the right on this banana icon, this will allow you to ask Google to make any changes that you want to the slides.
Take that PowerPoint file and import it into Google Slides. Now look for the banana icon on the right. That's Nano Banana. Click it, tell it what changes you want, and it will regenerate your slide with those edits baked in. It's not technically editing, it's creating a new version. Weird? Yes. Does it work? Absolutely.
So let's go ahead and make some changes to this one. It says situational awareness, the unseen art at the top. Let's tell it we want to change that text. So I'm going to tell it, change this headline, and I typed it out, situational awareness, the unseen art, to be careful, danger. Now, when I click on create, what it's actually doing is it's not editing this image, it's actually generating.
That's the SLIDE method. Sources, layout, instruct, download, edit. 5 steps to create stunning presentations that can actually make you money. Save this and start building. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.